Hello everybody, it's Mr. Mulvihill here. Hope you guys had a great break. Hope you guys are doing well. I can't wait to get back into the classroom with all of you. Alright, let's look at the answers here to some teeth questions. What are two things you noticed about this graph? For that, you really could have said anything as long as it's somewhat in the ballpark. Maybe you said, I see 4 letters on the graph, A, B, C, D. Maybe you said the graph is going up and down. Maybe you said this graph shows how much teeth someone has at a certain age. Whatever it is, as long as it deals with the graph, you should be good there. For number 2, what is the main message of this graph? The main message, I would say, is this graph tells someone how much teeth the average human has at a certain age. So pretty much just like what the title says, right? So anything around this title would be a good main message for this graph. Okay, now we get into the nice stuff here, the stuff we're really going to focus on today, questions 3, 4, and 5. So question 3 says, what information can you get from point A? Well, if you look at point A, if you follow it down to the x-axis here, you see that A is on age 16. So you can say that at age 16, well, let's see how many teeth they have on average. Ooh, if we go over, we don't know what that is. Is it 26? Is it 27? Maybe the graph is going up by 1s. I'm not really sure. Let's say the answer is 28. Maybe we think it's, that looks like 28. I'm not going to be precise. I'm just going to kind of estimate. 28. Well, that would mean that this is 26. Right in between 28 and 24. And then if you go up another 2, you'd be at 30. So you'd be 24, 26, 28, 30, 36. That's not how numbers work. You'd be skip counting by 2, so you're not going up by 2s. Are you going up by 3s? 24, 27, 30, 33, 36. Yes, you are going up by 3s. So point A will be at age 16, the average person has 30 teeth. Okay. What about point B? Let's see point B. Well, at point B, we don't know the age right away, but we do know the teeth number. It's 24. So what number would go here between 12 and 16? Is it 13? 12, 13, 16? No, that's not how numbers work. It'd be 12, 14, 16. There you go. So at age 14, you can expect to have, hey, that's like you guys. You can expect to have 24 teeth. Maybe you guys have more. Maybe I didn't do this graph totally accurate. You guys can judge me on that. Okay. And then we still have to figure out point C. I am going to kind of pause right here and go over a surefire way to get these right. Because for number 3, this one, ask yourself, did we do a step-by-step procedure to figure out what 30 was, or did we guess and check? We guessed and checked. We tried going up by 2s, then we tried going up by 3s, and 3s worked, so we were happy. We guessed and checked. I'm going to show you a step-by-step procedure that you can always use to figure out what graphs go up by. So this is definitely the important part of the video that you may want to rewind. And it's how to figure out what graphs go up by. What you do is you find 2 values, like 0 and 12, the first two values you see. And you find the difference between those two values. So from 0 to 12, you're going up 12, obviously. Now, how many boxes does it take to go from 0 to 12? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to go up 4 times to get to 12. So how much is each block worth if you split it up the 12 equally? Well, if you're splitting things up equally, that means you're dividing. So 12 divided by 4, if you do that, well, what's 12 divided by 4? 12 divided by 4 is 3. 3, right? What the graph is going up by. Remember right here, 24 to 27, up 3. 27 to 30, up 3. Up 3. And we know it's going up by 3 using this step right here. Finding the difference between our points, 0 and 12, which is 12, and then counting the boxes, which is 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3, which means each box goes up by 3. And it's the same thing down here. 0 to 4 is a difference of 4 over 2 boxes, 1, 2. 4 divided by 2 equals 2, which means that each box is going up by 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12. Oh, look, there's our 14. All right, so those are the answers to, we'll see. C would be at age 10. You have, we'll count up by 3s, 12, 15, 18. You on average have 18 teeth. All right, there you go. You guys can work on the second question now. All right, if you can please pause the video here so you can work on that next slide. And when everyone's done, you can resume the video to see the answers. All right, so here are the answers to slide 2 here. You can take a look at it. All right, so if you didn't get those answers, you probably didn't correctly figure out what the graph was going up by. So let's do our steps here. All right, so we grab 2 numbers that we see. I'm going to start with the x-axis here. We got 1990 and 2000. That is a difference from 1990 to 2000. That's 10 years. Now 10 years. Well, is the graph going up by ones? 91, 92, 93, 94, 2000. No, that's not it. So use the steps. Count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 boxes over 10 years means that 10 divided by 5 is 2, which means that the graph is going up by 2s. So now we can come back over here, and we know it's going up by 2s. So we can say, all right, 2010, up 2 more would be 2012, 2014, 2016, 2018, 2020. And then for the y-axis, well, you could do that method, or you could just hopefully realize that it's going up by halves. So 0.5, 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5. And that's how you get your answers for this. Pause the video now, please, and try the third slide, and then we'll go over the answers. All right, here are the answers for the third slide. Take a look at that. Now, if you didn't get that right, again, you're probably not doing the steps here. We can start off with the y-axis. I anticipate that's maybe a little more difficult. So from 0 to 3, that's a difference of 3. Then count the boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes up 3 over 4 boxes. So you do 3 divided by 4. And you get 0.75, which means each block on the y-axis is going up by 0.75. So we can do 0.75, 1.5, 1.5 plus another 0.75 is 2.25. 2.25 plus 0.75 is 3. So there we go. We're now on a roll. You know what the y-axis scale is going up by. Okay. The x-axis, again, same thing. Find your difference between your points. 1960 to 1980 is a difference of 20 years. Go up by 1, 2, 3, 4 boxes. So up 20 years in 4 boxes. 20 divided by 4 is 5. So each one's going up by 5. So this is 1965, 1970, add another 5 is 1975, add another 5, look, there's our 1980. So that's what's needed to do these questions. I know they're a little tricky, but if you use those steps, you should be fine. All right, why don't you try the steps for that last one there, pause the video, and then I will show you the answers. All right, here are the answers for this question. All right, that's pretty much all I got for you guys today. If you have any questions, please reach out, and I hope to see you guys soon. Bye-bye.